presentation or any of a video, infographic, or some graphics or augmented reality. So these all are the ingredients. So we had a one training session on the designing interactive video. Designing interactive video is not just whole content. This is just a part of e-content. So you can just go through with this session and you will find out a very powerful and awesome content on it, and you will be able to boost your e-learning experience by this session. For just sake of knowledge, I want to just little bit revise if you didn't attend that session, and I just want to give you a quick view that was about the interactive video design tool, because this is also a part of e-content. So the most important thing for us, how we can do this and which type of tools and software we can use freely, and we can create our own content. So here is the list of the all that tools you can use to make your interactive video design. This slide is just for a quick overview about the tools, and I just want to revise something which I already explained. So you have a Snagit. Snagit is very common nowadays because you as an educator use for the screen recording mostly. So this is also helpful for the creating interactive video design. Camtasia one is the one of the powerful tool which is using as Camtasia Studio as well. Explain everything. This is a web tool. Playposit, Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle, I like one thing about the Edpuzzle. This is a one complete learning management system, and it's free. You can easily design any interactive video there, and there is a many more options there. And you can just, if you want to upload with the Edpuzzle LMS, then you can easily use free of cost. We have Adobe Captive and Screencast-O-Matic. So these are the 7 different tools we used in the designing the interactive video. So this is just a revision because this is also a part of the e-content. So let's move toward the next one. Yeah, back to the main topic. That now the question is arising that how do you create an interactive education content? Let me tell you about if you are thinking to make an interactive e-content. So some of the ingredient you must be add that is, you can say, the part of that e-content interactivity. And not about the e-content. This is we just add these things to make that one interactive. The first one is polls, quizzes, and survey. A very simplest way to engage anyone is to ask them a question about an issue that interests them. Then provide an answer. Poll may seem like a simple device, but appropriately used, they can surprise, involve, and even motivate. Same like survey, allow people to think through their preference or concern, and then see how they stack up to other in similar situations. Once you have created a poll or survey, you can provide follow-up links or opportunities to user. For example, if the quiz results suggest that a user is suffering from a particular physical problem, and you are going to present some of the link to know more about the information end of the quiz, that can be inspired them. Here is one highlighted word, that is a SurveyMonkey. This is basically a free tool where you can create your poll, quizzes, and survey, and much more. It's a free online program that allow you to prepare a wide range of fun, serious, and information quizzes, polls, survey, and more, and make it possible to provide result visually. You will be able to find out the results as well. So it sounds very interesting that you can use any of the free tool, and you are going to create any of the poll, quiz, or any survey very easily. The second part of this is slideshow and the videos. SlideShare is simply a tool for turning your PowerPoint presentation into online slideshow. So we are going to use the SlideShare as a tool to present our presentation effectively. If I talk about the videos, the first thing come in my mind is that is a YouTube. YouTube, of course, is an online location where you can create your own channel and publish your own videos. YouTube has become a popular destination. So if you are looking to find new audience, it is in your best interest to create a YouTube presence. These all things give you interactivity with your learner, with your audience. They will be able to question you. They will be able to interact with you, with the screen or with your content. Let's move toward the third one, that is the webinars. Webinars are virtual get together during which attendees are able to see whatever is on the meeting leader's computer screen, while the meeting leaders talk about the visual he or she is presenting. This is a real time tool useful if you are calling together a group of people who are in different locations and need to share information, discuss ideas, or learn together. It is a great way to train volunteer, teach a short class, or simply present your case. So for this, what you are going to use, you can use the Join Me web tool or a WebEx. These two websites you can go through with these all I'm sorry, web tools, and you are going to know that you can use freely and you can conduct webinars very easily. The fourth point is interactive timelines. The history of a person, cause, art form, or event. You could write a long article, or better yet, you could create an interactive timeline complete with image and videos to tell your story. So simply you can use the time glider. This is also a web tool you can use to create your interactive timelines. And this is one of the several free websites where you can build and then publish interactive timeline that offer much more than a static brochures or web page. Okay, the fifth one is multimedia storyline. That is storyline is one of the web tool you can use to create your multimedia storytelling. Interactive multimedia can help you tell that story in words and pictures while also allowing user to explore your program, opportunities, and fundraising activities in more detail. So you can use these tools to create your storytelling content more interactive. These are all the web tool you are going to use freely, and you can create your according to your requirement option. If you want to create a poll quiz as a survey, you can use the survey monkey very easily, and you can just present to your students. I'm just giving you a one wide area what idea about how many different parts you can create with the free softwares, and you can present to your audience in a very easy and effective manner.